How to use card control settings in the ADCB app and boost your card security. Using the ADCB app. Hey everyone, welcome back to Leonard the Explorer channel. Today we're diving into the ADCB app to explore the card control settings, one of the most powerful tools to secure and manage your card usage. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the ADCB mobile app. Start by opening the ADCB app on your phone. Step 2. Log into your account. Log in securely with your credentials. Step 3. Go to the debit card section. Navigate to the debit card section in the app. Step 4. Access card control settings. Now, look for the card control option. Here's where you can manage your card security and set limits. Step 5. Block or unblock your card. In case your card is lost or stolen, you can instantly block it with just a tap. You can also unblock it when you're ready to use it again. Step 6. Set card limits, transaction spending limits. You can set transaction limits for both domestic and international purchases. This feature helps protect you from any unauthorized spending. Step 7. Control online and international transactions. Want to restrict online or international transactions? You can turn these features on or off to have complete control over where and how your card is used. That's it. You've successfully managed your card controls in the ADCB app. By using these settings, you can ensure your card is always secure and tailored to your needs. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time. If you have any questions or need further assistance with the ADCB app, leave a comment below. I'd be happy to help.